Insert your bank card into the ATM as shown. Type in your PIN. Make sure no one is watching you. Select Deposit. Choose which account you would like to deposit the money into. Now enter the amount of money you will be depositing. Select Deposit to confirm. Take your money or check that you are depositing, put it in the envelope, and make sure it's sealed. Insert the envelope into the ATM as shown. Select Exit and print receipt. Take your card and your receipt and put them in your wallet. Insert your card into the ATM as shown. Type in your PIN. Make sure no one is watching you. Select Withdraw. Select which account you would like to withdraw from, and then select the amount of money you would like to withdraw. Select Exit, Print Receipt. Take your card, take your money, and take your receipt. Put everything into your wallet.